morning, Vipin. My name is Akshay. I'm your occupational therapy assistant student from Tara College. I'm your occupational therapist, and she has said that you are difficult in managing time, okay, and you are difficult in your executive functions. And our goal is to manage time properly for life, okay. Since we have exam coming next week, so we need to understand managing time and everything, okay, to prioritize stuff, everything, okay. So that is our goal today. So we are going to perform an activity today, where I'll provide you with a schedule mentioned, and I'll provide another list which has some empty spaces in it. You just have to look at the schedule and fill the schedule, okay.
Yep.
So before we start, do you have any concerns or any questions?
No.
No. So I've already scanned the environment and everything seems to be safe. Okay. So let's start with an activity. Before I start, do you feel you'll have any difficulty doing this activity, or will have any challenges?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. So you will see that. Okay. So this is the list, and this is where you have to write down the list. Okay. Take your time.
Yeah, I think I'm done.
You're done.
Yep.
Okay. So how was your activity?
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Pretty good. Do you think you made any mistakes, or everything went well?
Uh, no.
No? Okay. So, okay. So here's what we're going to do. This is the list of items that have proper answer mentioned in this. Okay, I want you to check here, okay, and then check what you have written, okay? And I want to compare and find out if there is any mistake in that.
I think I got 3 wrong answers.
You got 3 wrong answers?
Mhm.
Are you sure about that? Like, do you want to check again?
Oh no, I got 5 wrong answers.
You got 5 wrong answers?
Yeah.
Why do you think what went wrong, or maybe what can you do something? Like, is there any strategy that you can come up with so that you can avoid making those 5 mistakes?
Maybe I can just like pointing and like just keeping my left hand here and just writing down. like
Okay,
that.
okay, yeah, that sounds like a good plan. Okay, so maybe we can work on that. Do you mind me showing how would you do that? Like,
Yeah. So here's the schedule.
uh-huh.
So like this and like pointing all the things and writing down.
Okay, so that's so that's a good strategy. Okay, so for the next session we'll work on that. Okay, okay, that's it. And let's start. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Good morning, Vipin. We are back for our second session today. Okay. So we are. You remember how you told me about the last session? What you were going to come up with strategy
Yeah.
and the activity we performed for our time management. So
Mhm.
today we are going to do that. Okay. We are again going to work on our schedule for your time management. Okay.
Yeah.
So that it improves your executive functions, basically managing time and understanding everything.
Yeah.
Okay. So today we are going to work on that. Any questions or any concerns before we start?
No.
No? Okay, so let's work on that. This is the list where it's empty blank spaces, and this is the list which you have to refer to write it. And last time you said this activity was kind of like easy for you. So maybe let's make it more challenging. I'll set up a timer here, okay, and then you can try to finish it before the timer ends. Okay?
Yeah.
Sounds good? Perfect.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. So, okay, how was the activity written?
Yeah, it was like more challenging than last time.
Okay, so the timer made it a little more challenging.
Challenging,
Yeah, I
yeah.
can understand that. So, you think you did a good job today?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So here's the list of all the correct answers. I want you to refer to your answer and to the correct answers mentioned here.
I got 1 wrong answer.
You got one wrong answer?
Yeah.
Sure about that this time? Like, you want to check again? You can check
Yeah,
again.
maybe I'll check again.
Yeah.
Yeah, just 2. Here's
2 wrong answers?
yeah, just 2.
So, Vipin, so the strategy that you came up with last time did help you, because last time you got more wrong answers compared to this
Yeah.
time. And even with making challenges, you did a good job. So, I want you to think of another strategy that you can come up so that you can try to avoid those 2 mistakes that you did. Can you think of any strategy?
Maybe read like verbally saying and keeping my hand and just writing
Yeah,
down.
that's a good technique. That's a good technique. Can you just show me how you do it?
So it's like work, lunch, assignment,
Good,
like that.
good. Yeah, that's a good technique. Yeah, that would be pretty helpful. Okay, so yeah, you did a good job. With the increasing challenge, you did a very good job. Just in case if this challenge was too difficult for you, what we could have done is instead of making a schedule for the whole week, checking for the whole week, we could have just made like folded the list in half like this. Okay, so we would have just prioritized the first 3 days and then focus on the next 2 days. Okay,
Yeah.
so that should have been a great example for decreasing demand. You did a good job, and I will go and talk to Prana about today's activity. Is there any so you came up with those 2 strategies. Can you tell me an example where you can use the strategies in your real life, like somewhere else?
Or maybe in my school, like making like assignments and like exams.
Like
during
yeah, making the
exams.
okay. Okay, so that's a good example. Okay, you can use it for your exams. The strategy. Okay, so I'm gonna go talk to Prana about today's activity, and if there's any changes, I'll let you know about that. Okay, and if there's any changes, yeah, that's it. Okay, perfect.